with me now. Come with me now. Come with me now. I'm gonna take you down. Come with me.
Hello and what's up, everybody? As you could tell from the intro, I will be doing another Brantley hate series today, and it's about loud noises, because loud noises interrupts a lot of things, actually. So we'll get started with that in about 5 seconds, so be right back. Okay, so loud noises. Why do I hate them? It's because they're really loud and it's really annoying. So about 2:30 last night, I was sitting out there on the hood of my dad's truck, and out of nowhere you just hear like this dying chicken sound. As most of you know, if you have my Snapchat, then it was on my Snapchat story early this morning at the very beginning of the video, so you have to like have the volume up to hear it. And about 45 to an hour later, I was still sitting there on my dad's truck just looking up at the stars and everything. I heard a cow dying. It sounded like, it was like, I don't know what it was. It scared the living dookie out of me. So I jumped up. And then about 5 minutes later, where I heard the chicken dying, there was this guy and this other guy. They were up there arguing about something. Like, you could hear just about every word of it. They were being so loud. Sounded like they had a megaphone and be like, "Why did you do that?" It's really stupid. I mean, if you're gonna argue, do it quietly, because it's like 3:30 in the morning and like people are trying to sleep. Oh, and this morning I was trying to sleep, okay? And we're doing like this house remodeling thing, as you heard in the other video that I did yesterday. And so whenever I was trying to sleep, I just fell asleep in there on the couch in the living room. My luck, of course. And then I wake up to my dad, boom, 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 just sitting there hammering on something. I was like, "Why?" He was like, "Why'd you sleep on the couch?" I was like, "I fell asleep." And then it all just went downhill from there. So that's when I had to get up. So I went to bed at about 4 o'clock, woke up at about 12:30 I think. And so I'm tired, that's what. But knowing me, I'm probably just going to stay up all night again tonight and do absolutely nothing like last night. Oh well. I know. Were we rolling? Okay, so I guess that's all we have for that video, or this video, you know. I will be coming at you again with another Brantley Hates video tomorrow, possibly, or maybe sometime later today, because I have a bunch of free time now that school's out. So it's either going to be later today, tomorrow, in the middle of the night. Just be prepared. I could be doing it while it's 5 o'clock in the morning, right before the zombie apocalypse. You never know what's going to happen overnight, dude. Whew. But anyways, that's all we got for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and also, don't forget to subscribe and like.